Project management is a journey, period. It's like kind of navigating through a complex maze, and along the way, there are practices that actually can be pitfalls, causing your project to not even stumble, but eventually fail. I hope you'll join us today on this live as we identify those potential traps and learn how to avoid them. Hey, if you're new to the channel, I go by the name of ED. For you smart and intelligent folks out there, listen, that just simply means Ed. Today's episode is entitled, Which Practices Are Pitfalls of Project Management? Again, which practices are pitfalls of project management? If you're new, again, like I said, I have a 7-point framework. After these 7 points, we out. I do have a bonus though I want to throw in just if you stay to the end, and I hope that you do. With that being said, let's get into this work. First of all, quote of the day by James Clear. If you haven't read that book, Atomic Habits, I dare you to go pick it up. And I said I dare you because there will be some things in that book will change your life. Quote of the day is, if you're unwilling to adapt to the future, you'll justify the past. Again, if you're unwilling to adapt to the future, you'll justify the path. First point, micromanagement.